Hi together, I would like to show you a short screencast about the Udacity machine learning operation final course, final project. Yeah, in this project, the task was to create an automated machine learning project with bank marketing. First task was to upload a new data set, here bank marketing data set from a URL. That's done here, you see it. Then second, I was executing here AutoML job. That's done. You see it here in the jobs, bank marketing. You see the latest job. You see also here best model was selected. That's a voting example with the best AUK metric and other metrics. That's already deployed. You have the possibility to deploy here the web service. You see that it's already deployed in the endpoint section. Just working here. This one, you see that this endpoint is healthy and active. You see here this URL you can use for predicting this model. You also see here a Swagger a JSON file that you can download with help of Swagger. You see on what structure you have to send this post request, and there's also like a task was also to enable this application insights debugging possibility. To see that this endpoint is working, there was the script endpoints here in the starter kit repository. You just need to exchange the scoring URL and your key, and a bit of the structure of the sample data that should check. There should be an input at the input level on top, and also a global parameter with method predict. And then you can, I already run it. I just click again, play. You see the API is answering, or the endpoint is answering with first batch, first example yes, and second example no. The second top was to run a notebook. I already opened it here. That's provided. That was straightforward. Just I'm selected here on the kernel Python 3.10 ML. There was all pre-installed. I only got problems when running. I will show you in a minute. This Azure ML widgets. That's the deprecated API. You see it here. I was using instead Azure AI ML package, and to generate some job statuses and who was creating that and if it's finished. You see it here. You can execute it with a run ID. Also from this pipeline run, you can also hear the ID. That's all straightforward. So with this notebook, a pipeline is created, and the pipeline endpoint is also created, and the best model is picked and stored, and with the best model and sklearn matrix, there's the predict step is executed on the test data set that is additionally downloaded here with bank marketing test. And you see here this confusion matrix, and then the bank marketing, the endpoint of the pipeline is triggered. So with this endpoint, you can trigger this pipeline from API, and you see here this trigger from this API that is also tested. I can show you the pipeline here. That's here. You see the pipeline that it's generated and initially run, and this pipeline endpoint you see here, bank marketing train, and you see also that this pipeline endpoint is active, and here's the REST API to trigger this from Jenkins or CI/CD job. Just to show you again a model I think I was showing you. This was the one model from this bank marketing job. You see also the artifact of the model is created. You see the endpoints of a model, so that's again another overview just from a model perspective. So that's all from my side. Thank you very much and have a nice day.